Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 5th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku, so 3 puzzles are left, the binary, jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the 4 stars Sudoku, number 9218. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Yeah, 24. This 4-star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start right away. This column, the second column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. We have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. The 9 should be here. Then 9, 7. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next on last column. There are only 2 places left, for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so in the row between. There are only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so no third row. Only place left 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left 1 should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. I need to wait. 5, 5, 5. 2, 2. Needed 2 there or here. Well, need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Come on. Need a 1 here. Okay. 7. 2, 4, 9. 2, 4, 9. Well, 5. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between. Only place left with 5 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. I need a 2 here. Need a 7 here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in the last row, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, no 2 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 2 and a 7 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 2, 7 and 2. One of the missing number in this big square is number 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square. For number the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It means 1 digit left in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Well, and now, need an 8 here, need an 8 there. 8, 8, 8, okay. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Need a 5 here. We have a pair, the 5 and the 3 in this column, the 5 and the 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this third column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay, 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 5 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5, here we have a 5. That means in this row, the 5 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Yeah, because here can be a 5. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. Another 5 in the column next, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5, it should be there. Alright, 2, 2, need a 2 here, need a 2 there. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9 then. Okay. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here. Here or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the first column, 9 in this column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 numbers left now in the first column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Need a 6 there. We have a pair, the 6 and the 7 in this row, the 6 and the 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. 3, 3. 3, 4, and 8. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this row, middle row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. Well, in this row, we need an 8. the first row. Here can be an 8, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8. There's the only place left with 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. Then 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3. Interesting. 8, 8. Need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. 2, 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6. I need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the only place left with 6 should be there. There are 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. 4 and 8. So here also 4, 8, and the 3 is missing here. We have 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So 3 could be here, could be there. We need a 3 here. 3, need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 7, 4, and a 2. 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in the first row, no 7 there. Here can be 7, we have 7 in the middle row, so no 7. So the only place left with 7 in this column should be there. So if we eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. Need a 7 here. How about the 4? In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here, could be there. No 4. 4, 4, 4. Here should be the 4 and the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6. 4 and the 3. 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 3, 4, and the 7. 3, 4, and the 7. 3. Come on. 2, 4, and the 8. No, 2, 4, and the 3 are missing. 2, 4, and the 3. 2, 4, and the 3. 4 can be here. Well, in this row, we need a 4. Here can be 4, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4. So the only place left with 4 in this row should be there. And if eliminated here, the 2, so the 2 goes there then. Alright. 2. Need a 2 there. So the 2 and the 8. Yeah, 2 numbers, no, 2 and the 3 are missing. 2 and a 3, yeah, 2 and a 3. Come on. 5 and a 3, 5 and the 7 and a 2. Overlook the 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. Overlooked. So we have 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left with 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 2, okay. 9, 7, need a 7 there. How about the 8? Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Yeah. I need a 4. Need a 4 there. 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, middle column, no 4 there. So the 4 goes together with the 8 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 should be here then. 5 and the 3, we have 5 now in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 4 and 8, okay. 6 and the 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, 7 and 6 we have here. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this column, last column. 4 in the column next, so that column, the only place left 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So here 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 in the 4, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left with 4 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. And the final 2 numbers, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 60 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. How is this possible? Well, previous Sudoku, 27 printed digits, need 90 minutes. This one, 24, need 60 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Not the 4, not the 3. And let me give this again a 2 stars. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.